What circuit boards do you do? Number 49. TMM3 Microwave PCB. Rogers TMM3 thermoset microwave material is a ceramic thermoset polymer composite specifically engineered for sterile and microstrip applications, requiring high purity through reliability. TMM3 laminates offer unique brand advantages found in both ceramic and traditional PDFE microwave circuit laminates, eliminating the need for complex production techniques associated with these materials. These laminates leverage thermoset resins, ensuring exceptional reliability for wire bonding processes, while mitigating concerns such as pan lifting or substrate deformation. TMM3 laminates possess a dielectric constant of 3.27 plus and minus 0.032, ensuring precise and consistent signal transmission, exhibiting a dissipation factor of just 0.002 at 10 GHz. This low dissipation factor ensures that the PCBs experience minimal signal loss, enabling efficient and effective communication within the circuitry. The thermal coefficient of decay is 37 parts per million per Kelvin, providing stability even in varying temperature conditions. Moreover, the coefficient of thermal expansion is precisely matched to couple, mitigating potential issues relating to thermal stress. TMM3 materials possess mechanical properties that resist corrosion and cold flow, ensuring long-term reliability. They are also resistant to processed chemicals, reducing the risk of damage during fabrication. Additionally, it eliminates the need for a sodium nitrate treatment prior to electrolyte plating, streamlining the manufacture process. In terms of our PCB capabilities on TMM3 substrates, we can offer a wide range of options to meet your specific requirements. Whether you need double layer, multi-layer, or hybrid PCBs, we have you covered. We can select from different copper weights, including 0.5 ounce, 1 ounce, and 2 ounces, to achieve optimal conductivity. Our PCB thickness options ranging from 50 mil to 500 mil, catering to various application needs. The maximum PCB size we can handle is 400 mm by 500 mm. We offer a variety of solid mask colors, such as green, black, blue, yellow, and red. Additionally, you can choose from a range of surface finishes, including bare carbon, HASL, ENIG, OSP, immersion tin, immersion silver, pure gold, and ENEPIG. TMM3 microwave PCBs find extension applications in various industries. They are perfect for RF and microwave circuitry, power amplifiers and combiners, filters and couplers, satellite communication systems, global positioning systems antennas, touch antennas, dielectric polarizers and lenses, as well as tree testers. Thank you. See you next time.